the thing I talk about the most is the cleanup system. What is it? Well, it's my methodology to help cleaning company owners turn their cleaning company into a low-stress lifestyle business that scales on autopilot. The whole goal of the cleanup system is to be able to help you take your cleaning company from where it is now and turn it into something that feels seamless, simplistic, easy, and it's just going to scale pretty much just as a result of very simple things on a regular basis. It's really about breaking it down into what do I have to do every day? What do I have to do every week? What do I have to do every month? And then being able to pass those things out to other people so they can do those things for you. And there's really three big core things that I think that most people don't focus on enough that is going to enable you to get to that point. First one is systemization. Systemization. Systems are just a means of doing something to give you a consistent result. So what is it that you need? What's that consistent result that you need? And what is it that you're going to do step by step every single time to try and get that result? The more that we can focus on building our business around systems, the less it becomes person dependent. The other thing is going to be looking at software. Cleaning is kind of an archaic industry in a lot of respects, but something you have to focus on is utilizing software. The idea with software is designed to make things more streamlined, more effective, more efficient, and save you time as the cleaning company owner. What you don't want to do is come off of the tools and now you spend your life doing admin. That's probably not what you want to do either. So the software is designed to make everything easy for you. The third thing, and this really never gets spoken about enough, is automation. What do you do in the business that doesn't need to be you, that doesn't really need to be delegated, because you could just set up automation between different softwares, and this is very easy to do. It's not as complex as it sounds, but it is game changing. How can you set up automation to do so many of those menial admin tasks for you so you don't have to remember to do them? That's the goal. So if that sounds interesting to you, drop me a message. Let's have a conversation about it, because I guarantee you, we can make your cleaning business less stressful than it is right now. We can make it run more effectively with a higher profit margin and significantly reduce your time spent in the business.